Well, good evening, and this is just going to be a real short video. A lot of people, after they've cleaned their clocks, especially these little Hermle 451s, are having problems with them running after they get them back in their case. And 99% of the time, excuse me, what's going on is that the beat is not set right. So some clocks have automatic beats. That's the larger movements mostly. And these smaller clock movements, or grandfather clock movements, don't have the automatic beat set. So you have to set it. So you can set it on before you put it back in a case, but chances are it's going to move on you. And if the beat's not set properly, the clock won't run right. It'll stop on you. So this is the leader right here, and this little knob right in the middle here, that's your pellet fork setup. And that has to be even from one side to the other. So if I look at here, you see how far that goes over? You see where it just stopped? It's right there. So that's out of beat. So I want to move it this way. And you can just do it with your finger. Okay, so now notice how far it went this way and how far it goes that way. And now the clock will run. And that will have an even beat to it. And that's all there is to setting the beat. Now sometimes, like I said, if you try to put this back in the case, you hang your pendulum on it and it won't run. That's because you knocked it out of beat. That's real easy to do. So I recommend reaching your hand up underneath if it doesn't have an open back. Reach your hand up underneath and set the beat, and then put your pendulum on. So that's actually all there is to it. So once it's in the case, you just come up underneath of it. And your clock will run nice and even. As you listen to it now. Thanks for listening to this one, and this video is one of many that I'm going to have to start putting back on YouTube. I know I haven't been on there for a long time, but I intend now to try and get on there at least once or twice a week with different things, clocks and jewelry and the whole works. So once again, thanks for watching my videos, and we'll see you later.